मेघालय कैबिनेट की बैठक गुरुवार को बुलाई गई, जिसमें शहर के हरिजन कॉलोनी पर उच्च स्तरीय समिति द्वारा पेश किए गए रिपोर्ट पर चर्चा की गई। मीटिंग के बाद मुख्यमंत्री कॉनराड संगमा ने पत्रकारों को बताया कि हरिजन कॉलोनी पर उच्च स्तरीय समिति द्वारा पेश किए गए रिपोर्ट पर कैबिनेट ने चर्चा करते हुए कुछ 3 फैसले किए गए हैं। संगमा ने कहा कि जिस जगह कॉलोनी स्थित है, दरअसल उस पर मालिकाना हक किसका है, कौन उस जमीन सही मालिक है, यह अभी तक पता नहीं चल पाया है। किसने इस जमीन पर यह हरिजन कॉलोनी बसाने की अनुमति दी थी, राज्य सरकार, अर्बन अफेयर डिपार्टमेंट या सीएम ऑफ हिमा मिलियम, यह अभी तक साफ नहीं है। और जमीन के कागजात किसके पास है, यह भी पता नहीं चला है, इसलिए इस पर त्रिकोणीय समझौते पर हस्ताक्षर किए जाएंगे। राज्य सरकार, अर्बन अफेयर डिपार्टमेंट, दूसरा म्युनिसिपल बोर्ड और तीसरा सीएम ऑफ हिमा मिलियम। दूसरा फैसला, वर्तमान में हरिजन कॉलोनी पर रह रहे म्युनिसिपल बोर्ड के कर्मचारियों और दूसरे विभागों के कर्मचारियों को वहां से उनके लिए बनाए गए सरकारी क्वार्टरों, जो वर्तमान में म्युनिसिपल कार्यालय है, वहां स्थानांतरित किया जाएगा और दूसरे विभागों के कर्मचारियों को अलग अलग जगहों पर बसाया जाएगा। तीसरा, म्युनिसिपल कार्यालय को दूसरे जगह स्थानांतरित किया जाएगा।
Had a meeting of the cabinet in which the high level committee. So we had a meeting of the high level committee, and a presentation was given by the committee to us on the recommendations that they had for the super colony issue, and during the presentation, details about the history of the case was given to us, about the different challenges that were faced, different events that took place, and all of these aspects were discussed in the meeting and in the presentation. To conclude and to make it short, there were 3 recommendations that mainly came in. First recommendation was regarding the ownership of the land. As you're aware that there has been always a confusion from all sides as to who owns the land and who has the documentation paper or the rights over the land. So in the committee report, and obviously certain exercise has already been done, that the process of signing an agreement and taking possession of the land by the state government and the municipal board from the CM of Melim, the process of that has already started. Agreement has been signed, and the final procedure to actually take over and the possession of the entire land is in process, and it should be completed within a week's time. So this will be basically a tripartite agreement between the CM of Milim and the state government, which is the Urban Affairs Department, and the municipal board. So this is the first recommendation, and the processes for that have started. We are hopeful that the entire process to take over the possession of the land will be completed by next week. That the process of shifting of the municipal office from the Bishop Cotton Road, which is the location where there were different quarters that were made, to a temporary location, which is just across the street in the old MBDA office. That process also, the recommendation has been given that the municipal office should be shifted out from those quarters that were created in Bishop Cotton Road. And the next suggestion was that to facilitate the movement of the permanent municipal employees who are staying in the sweeper colony right now to those quarters that have been made where the municipal board is. So first, the municipal board office will shift to the MBDA office, and once the shifting is done, the municipal employees, the permanent employees, will then shift from the sweeper colony into these quarters in Bishop Cotton Road. Third was that the other employees of other departments, close to about 57 families are there. Out of them, close to 50%, I don't have the exact number with me right now because the process is on, but close to 50% have already moved out from sweeper colony and gone to different locations. And we are also, the committee has recommended that we will further request the others also to shift from sweeper colony and go to the designated locations which the department, their parent departments will give. Third was also that the committee has recommended that the Urban Affairs Department work out a possible and a new location for relocation of the other people who are present out there, And for this purpose, the Urban Affairs Department has been asked to work out the mechanism, come up with a proposal, and present it to the cabinet. And post that, after examining all those aspects, this fourth suggestion that was given, the government will take a call on that. So those were the points.